People, so today I'm gonna play with my dog. Oh, baby, what are you licking? Baby, hey baby, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Oh no, don't lick. He loves to lick anything that he sees. Of course. Lol. Oh baby. Oh, you might fall off. Oh, your toes. His toe got stuck in the blanket. Good over, baby. Good mama. Good baby boy. He's a couple months old and he just bit my finger. Whatever, because I don't think he meant to. You're just a couple months old. Yes, you are. He's a mini Australian shepherd. We got him for cheaper than he normally would have been. He was $150, which normally he would have been like $800 because he's not like a mixed breed. He's a mini Australian shepherd. But how big he is now, he is, I'm guessing, going to be about as big as a normal one. So I'll just put my phone here. Yeah. Now we can play. Now we're going to play, baby. He's pretty cute. Why you gotta try to bite me when you're not going to? I love you. Yeah. You're a good boy. Yeah, you see I'm sweaty. It's hot outside. So I tried to take him out earlier, but then he heard thunder. So he ran back in. That's more thunder. Did it? It's like if I ever wear long shorts or anything, he almost tries to bite them. So, yeah, you're a cute puppy. He pants like all the time. I tried to go to sleep last night, and he was just panting the entire night, just panting away. And his tongue's so long that he just turned his head and it licked. Now he's trying to get my phone. I don't know if you guys saw that, but here's his big giant paw. He's just a couple months old. He thinks my phone is a chew toy. Little baby. You wanna go outside? Now my pants are wet. He's not nearly as hyper as my other dog, or my old dog, but he is still hyper. Little baby, you're such a baby still. A very weird looking one. You're so big. And his brother is like literally just he's still big, but he's not nearly as big as Bandit. You just want to bite everything. You just want to lick everything. Did you get a dandelion on your nose? I don't know. Well, bit it. Come on. Bit it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bit it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey, Bandit, do you want your bone? Bit it. Okay, he's not coming. He's going to be too lazy. He just moved like 1 inch. I mean, he's pretty lazy when he's not being pet. Baby, baby boy. Jiggle, jiggle, bubble. Bubble, bubble. And he's not like a Bernese Mountain Dog. He looks a lot like one, but he's not. So I think that's it. So bye.